Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Shopify and eBay. Both platforms allow you to sell products online, but they work in very different ways. One allows you to build your own branded online store, while the other gives you instant access to millions of buyers on a global marketplace. So the big question is, which one is better for selling online in 2026? Let's get started. With Shopify, Shopify is a fully hosted e-commerce platform that allows you to build and manage your own online store. Instead of listing products on someone else's marketplace, Shopify gives you the tools to create a standalone website where you can control everything. That includes your store design, the branding, the pricing, the products pages, and the overall customer experience. In simple terms, Shopify works like the operating system for your online business. You can design your website using professional templates, you can add unlimited products, you can manage inventory, process payments, track orders, and run marketing campaigns, all from a single dashboard. Now let's talk about eBay. eBay is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, connecting millions of buyers and sellers across different countries. Instead of building your own website, eBay allows sellers to list their products directly on the marketplace, where customers can discover them through search and category browsing. This gives sellers one huge advantage, which is immediate access to a large audience of buyers. Millions of people visit eBay every day looking for products ranging from electronics and fashion to collectibles, refurbished items, and rare products. Now, what are the main features of these platforms? We start with Shopify. First is store customization. Shopify allows you to design your website using professional themes and templates, giving your store a unique branded appearance. Second is unlimited product listings. You can add as many products as you want without paying listing fees. Third is the integrated payment processing. Shopify supports multiple payment options, including credit cards and digital payment options. Another important feature is the Shopify app ecosystem, which allows you to add extra tools like email marketing, product reviews, dropshipping integrations, loyalty programs, and automation tools. Shopify also provides advanced analytics and reporting, which helps businesses track sales performance, customer behavior, and product trends. Finally, Shopify supports multi-channel selling, allowing you to sell across your online store, social media platforms, marketplaces, and physical retail locations. Now, let us talk about the features of eBay. First is built-in marketplace traffic. Because eBay already has millions of active buyers, sellers can start getting visibility almost immediately after listing products. Second is auction-style selling, which allows sellers to create bidding competitions for certain items. Third is simple product listings. Yes, sellers can quickly upload product photos, add descriptions, set prices, and start selling within minutes. Another important feature is buyer and seller protection programs, which help build trust and handle disputes between buyers and sellers. eBay also offers promoted listings and advertising tools, allowing sellers to increase product visibility within search results. And finally, eBay provides international selling and shipping programs, which help sellers reach customers around the world. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? For Shopify, it's a subscription-based pricing model. And here is a general offer from Shopify. You try 3 days for free, then you do $1 per month for 3 months before you eventually hop on this subscription. So there's the basic plan for solo entrepreneurs at $19 per month. There's the Grow plan for small teams at $54 per month, and an advanced plan at $299 per month. There's a Plus plan, which is for complex businesses at $2,300 per month upwards. Now, if you pay yearly, you get these prices, but if you decide to pay monthly, the prices jump up. As for eBay uses a fee-based marketplace model. Sellers can start selling with no monthly subscription, although there are optional store plans that are available. And most sellers receive a number of free listings each month. Then, listing fees may apply. So, with eBay, you basically have to worry about listing fees. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We'll start with Shopify. The pros: full control over branding and store design, unlimited product listings with no listing fees, powerful marketing tools and integrations, and it's scalable for long-term e-commerce growth. And the pros of eBay? Immediate access to millions of buyers. Very easy to start selling quickly. Auction-style selling works well for rare or collectible items and built-in trust through buyer protection systems. How about the cons? For Shopify, it does not include built-in traffic, so marketing is necessary. Monthly subscription costs can add up, and some advanced features require paid apps. And the cons of eBay? Intense competition from other sellers. Also, limited control over branding and customer relationships. Also, the selling fees can add up over time. So which is better, Shopify or eBay? Well, when comparing Shopify and eBay, the best platform really depends on your business goals. If your goal is to build a long-term e-commerce brand, you want to create your own website, or you want control over your customer experience and also scale your business over time, then Shopify is usually the better choice. However, if you want to start selling immediately without building a website, and you want access to a massive audience of buyers, then eBay may be an excellent option. And that's it on the comparison of Shopify and eBay. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore BigCommerce, Etsy, and Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.